I'm about to do a crochet style, and I'm gonna be using Yankee twists. It's my first time ever using this hair, and I looked at so many videos and I just loved how the hair looked. And I saw a couple people who left out just a little bit of their edges, and I'm not sure if I want to do that because I really liked how it looked because it looks super natural, but like I just don't want to have to put in the extra work. And the whole point of me doing this is because I'm trying to just keep my hands out of my head, especially since I've been in the gym every single day, okay? The less I have to do with my hair while I'm in the gym, the better. So I'm about to put some product on this real quick. You know, see how it will look if I blended it with the Yankee twist. All right. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm leaving the edges out. I can do that. All right, so I'm gonna go braid it and I shall return. So this is my braid pattern. And as you can see, I left out just a little bit of my edges. So now it's time to add in the hair. This is the hair right here. I got it from Amazon. It came in 10 of these packs. And there are 20 strands of hair in each bundle. And this is all the hair. This is 8 bundles right here. I'm hoping that this is enough hair. Fingers crossed it's enough. Usually I start in the back, but I want to make sure I have enough. So I'm going to try to do all of this hair to hair first, and then I'll just fill in the back. So this is one bundle right here. I don't know, guys. All right. The braid down was the longest and the hardest part. This I'm about to zoom through, so I'll be back when I'm almost done. Okay, this just looks okay to me. I think that it needs to be a little more like fuller up in here. There's a lot of spacing back here where you can see like my scalp. This is all 10 packs of the hair. So I ended up having to order some more hair. So the hair just got here. And I'm about to just go ahead and fill in all those little spaces. Again, I got this hair from Amazon. I'll post the link in the description box below. I got it in a number 4, and this is 14 inches. So I'm just going to fill in all the back first because I know I have more than enough now. And I'm not going to use all 10 of this new pack. I'm excited to see what it's going to look like on me when it's done because I love how it looks on everybody else. It's one of those hairstyles that the longer you wear it, the better it looks. I'm hoping that this hairstyle will last me the remainder of my 75 hard journey. I did my braids pretty tight so that none of the hair would, you know, fall out. And it'll just last like through the sweating and the pulling it up, you know, letting it down, airing it out, washing it. Just one less thing I got to worry about while I'm working out. And all I'm doing is just looping it in once. Once I put the crochet hook under my hair. I guess I can turn around so I can show y'all. Hook under the braid, latch the hair, close it, pull it through, and then pull the hair through. And I just pull it all the way through. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and then I'll be back once I am done. So I have got all the hair in. I used an extra 4 and like a half packs. Look at that. Ew. Just wanna something, yeah. And let you know just how you make me proud. All right. So again, this is 14 and a half packs. Of course, you don't have to use 14 packs. I'm not gonna cut it today. I'm gonna give it a couple days, see how I'm feeling, and then maybe we'll chop it up. Maybe. Oh, that is kind of cute. Okay, so I know I said that I like my hair, but as I kept looking at it, I'm like, I like it, but I just don't love it. I don't know what it is. And so I went back and I started like looking at other people's videos with their Yankee twist. And I'm just like, why don't mine look like that? So as you can see, this side is a little more full than this side. And I was just thinking like maybe I need to just add more hair. But no, y'all. I had to go through and pull the twist apart. So look. So this is the twist right here. I had to go and literally pull it apart into two separate twists. And so as I'm doing that, it's kind of just filling out on its own. Look at that. So I've done all of this up here. I don't even know if I'm going to do all this because I think it's going to be huge after that. So I'm probably just going to go through and maybe do like a couple in this bundle and some in this bundle. And then go ahead and start the other side. And then from there, see how it looks and, you know, kind of go ahead and kind of frame my face. But I like the length of it. So I don't know if I'm going to do a lot of cutting. Maybe just in the front area. I don't know. We'll see. But that's where I'm at now. And I really do like how this side is looking. So you can just kind of imagine how it's going to look once it's all done. And I haven't done anything to my leave out since I put all the hair in. I just put this gel in. And this gel works so good. Not gel, edge control. It is like not moving at all. So it's keeping my leave out like nice and slick. I just got to make sure I keep the rest of this moisturized to make sure that it's blending with the hair, right? It's gonna be so big. 5 days later and I'm still playing with this hair. So I've pulled apart majority of the hair. I did leave some of them in, so I saw that it was getting like a lot fuller. I was just like, okay, you don't have to pull apart every strand of hair, right? So this is where we at. Definitely has to be cut. I think I'm gonna frame my face first, then go with the length. Yes. Okay, I'm not cutting no more. I am done.